Good morning, students. In previous videos, we started our classified advertisements, and we have already done our first advertisement, that is situation vacant. Now we are going to start situation wanted. What is situation wanted? So I am going to tell you what is situation wanted. In situation vacant, the job was vacant in any place, in an office or any other place, but in situation wanted, a person requires a job. मतलब क्या है कि उसमें वैकेंट में तो क्या था कि पर्सन की ज़रूरत थी, ओके, किसी ऑफिस में या किसी कंपनी में, ओके, बट हियर द पर्सन हिमसेल्फ वांट्स अ जॉब in any company or any place wherever he wants the job according to his qualification. So how to write? Very little bit things are required, like firstly personal details of a person, like his age, sex, health, whatever is there. Then afterwards there is qualification, his experience, other qualities, okay. Then we will write the preference, means which job he wants to do, which job he wants. Then how much salary does he expect? It is not compulsory that you write this point salary. It is on your own wish whether you want to add this point or not. It is not required, means we can't say that too much requirement is there. No, it is on your own wish. And then afterwards contact address, where to contact. Now see the example. Before the example, once again see this: personal details, qualification, preference, contact address. So now see the example. We have done the job vacant, okay, job vacant of English teacher, okay. So same, its opposite we are going to do, that one English teacher requires a job. So how he will give the advertisement? Situation wanted: 32 years old, male, teacher by profession, MA in English, B.Ed, knowledge of computers, command on language, fluency, with 5 years of experience. You can even change this wording, like with experience of teaching of 5 years, or 5 years of teaching experience, 5 years teaching experience, as you wish, whatever you want. The wordings will be your own. Only what we have to see, that no grammar should be used, like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. These types of things should not be used. Looking for a job of a teacher, expected salary rupees 25,000. This is your wish, how much you want to write according to the post. It should not be there you are writing the post of a job of means like you want the job of a PN, and here you are writing 40,000 or 35,000. You have to see, yes, it is your wish how much you want to write, but then also when you write, you have to see that which is the post. According to that it should be written here. Available for interview with a notice of 72 hours. Contact phone number you will write, or mail at, you can write email address, or directly you can even write the address also by writing the name of a person and simple address, Model Town, Delhi, and contact number, like that also you can write the address. Now see it once again. We have covered all these points in this. Personal details also we have done, the 32 years old male. Then afterwards his teaching profession. Then how much qualification is there, what are the extra qualities, experience, okay. Then we have written even expected salary also. Then we have written the contact address. So these, like this we will write the situation wanted notice. If you have any doubt, then you can personally ask me by giving the message to me. ओके बाय।